Are you underpaid and don't want to be underpaid in the rest of your life? If yes, you must watch this video until the end. Do you know what is the reason why you are in underpaid situation? Understand this thing very, very minutely, and it is quite important so that you can introspect yourself. You are underpaid because you know what? You don't know how to negotiate your salary. You do not know how to bring your value that organization appreciate and bring the skills that is required by industry. You are simply happy with the skills you have that may not be required by the industry. So understand this fact. So now the question is, what do you need to do to come out from this underpaid situation and skyrocket your career, command the salary you deserve? So there are 3 ways to do that. Let me tell you step-by-step process of this. The 3-step process to command a superlative salary. First, you should have the world-class profile. Second, you should have the great project portfolio. And the third one is your resume should come out very, very clean, and you should be able to command this thing in a very intuitive way. So to brief you, the first thing that you need to know is you should have the world-class profile. Number 1. Number 2 should be you should have a very good project portfolio, the real world project. And number 3, you should be doing multiple rounds of mock interview. With this 3-stage process, you should be able to command the salary you deserve. So 3 things. One is you should have world-class profile. Second is you should have the real world project in your portfolio, not a dummy or COVID project or pandemic project. And number 3, do multiple rounds of mock interview with the expert, right? With this, you should be able to negotiate your salary, command the salary you deserve, and you will not be in underpaid situation anymore. Good luck and best wishes. If you want to learn more and all the new techniques and how you can command this type of salary and how you can skyrocket your career in data science, I am conducting a very special masterclass this weekend, Sunday at 11 o'clock. Join me live out there, and you should be amazed to see the result of my students who has undergone this program, and they have turned around their entire thing and has come out from their meager salary to the massive salary. See you there live Sunday 11 o'clock.